I'm Trish.
And I'm Trip.
And today we're going to search for the best bunny chow in Durban.
We took a poll from you guys online and on Facebook, and you guys answered in your numbers. So today we're going to show you the top 3 places to get a bunny chow in Durban. Let's go. Our first location, and it is the TSD Ultra Lounge. So we're really excited. I'm really hungry to try that bunny.
I hope it's good.
Yeah, let's go. Nestled in the heart of Springfield, Durban, TSD Ultra Lounge is a venue that is lively and inviting, with friendly staff and amazing food to go with it. The scent of fresh curry cooking is intense, and only the freshest ingredients, including a special loaf of bread, is used, something that is essential for a perfect bunny chow. As one of the most recommended places, we were very excited to try it out.
Okay guys, so we're about to taste the TSD Ultra Lounge mutton bunny. Now, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
I love bunny chow, so let's dig in.
Okay, so we're judging this bunny based on its appearance, the bread of course, and the curry. So these are the 3 criteria that we'll be testing this bunny with.
Okay, let's go for
Okay,
it.
let's go. You go first. While you watch us eat the TSD bunny in fast forward, we asked manager Lloyd Muyamba why he believes that TSD has the best bunny in Durban.
Firstly is the way how it's our recipe, the way how we mix those masala. It's reported that if you check how many customers, how many bun saved every day. Besides that, how we save our customers and customers, for the customer to come and eat each other at the end of the day, we need something which is good to customers. That's how we save them.
Having no initial expectations, it was safe to say that we were blown away. An interesting touch was the side of pickle in addition to carrot salad, something I had never seen before. Extra gravy at the bottom of the plate gives the bunny an extra moisture. The bread was perfect. The combination of fresh and elastic texture absorbs the gravy, making it easy to eat.
So now we're off to Cario's. I'm really excited to eat that bunny. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's really cool and home style food, so excited to try.
We've tried Cario's a few times, so
Yeah. Located in Moseley Park, the Carios have built a reputation based on trust and authentic home-style Indian food. It has become one of the fastest growing and most popular restaurants in Durban to date. Run by Ranjini Naidu and family, they ensure customers are never disappointed. The venue is always buzzing, especially around lunchtime when we decided to stop by to try their famous bunny chow.
now we are at Cario's and we're about to try a mutton bunny. The atmosphere here is
It's really busy.
it's crazy.
It's around lunchtime now, so everybody is coming here for lunch.
Yeah, or to pick up food, or they want to sit here. It's a small venue as well.
Yeah.
So it's really crazy inside.
So we've got a really delicious bunny in front of us. We're gonna try it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna open the salad while you do that. The Cario's bunny chow is a must-try. So we asked owner Ranjini Naidu why so many people voted them as the best.
The reason being, I started off from a tuck shop, and then from a tuck shop I went on to Bangladesh market where I had a small food store, and I was trading there for 9.5 years. Well, the tuck shop ran for 12 years, and then my son decided that, you know what, Mom, you know what, you don't know the quality of your food. Why don't you come and help me in Moseley, in North Dean, and in a Wendy house that we traded in. where we were serving only quarter bread for 3 rands. And today, Curryozy is blessed. I think Durban is the place, a home for curries. And presently, we are running number 3 in South Africa. What you're getting at the Curryozy is mother's food. And I feel that whatever I've given to my kids, I put it into the business. Okay. And I think it's more about the quality of the meat and the quality of the product that goes into making the bunny chow. It's not actually the spicing, it's the quality of the meat, I will say. And the most important thing is consistency.
And we have a moolah bone. Oh, it's really hot.
The funny thing about bunnies is you can eat it on a really hot day or a really cold day. There's no day that's not perfect for a bunny, right?
Any Durban day. It's a bunny day.
Would you say this is a Durban curry?
Definitely.
So we're gonna finish this bunny and then we're off to the next place. The kitchen at Curryo's looks, feels and smells like an Indian home in Durban. A perfect selection of bread is used in making the bunny, as well as the use of extra oil within the curry, which helps keep it moist and flavorsome. The addition of bones in the bunny makes it a perfect home-style dish. The level of spiciness of the curry is well balanced and blended between hot and flavorful so that all customers can enjoy without worry. The appearance of the bunny is delightful and makes the customer want to eat every last bite. It is comfort food, family food, and most importantly, food from the heart. Okay, the final place we're gonna go to is Hollywood Bunny Bar, and it's a new location from the original location. So let's go to Hollywood Bunny Bar. Right, let's go. After a bold move to relocate their restaurant, Hollywood Bunny Bar have found further success at their new venue in Springfield Park. The interior of the restaurant is elegant and colorful. It's a takeaway restaurant with style and mind-blowing food.
Hey guys, we're at the Hollywood Bunny Bar and I'm really excited to try out a mouth-watering bunny. Let's go.
Hollywood Bunny Bar's motto should be only the best, as their standards and quality in preparation of the bunny is incredibly high. Each bunny is made perfectly. They also use lamb instead of mutton, and the addition of ingredients such as bay leaf and cinnamon sticks reminds you of home.
Okay guys, so we're about to taste the Hollywood Bunny Bar bunny.
Yeah, this is a different bunny because it's lamb. And they said they do this because it's the meat quality that they're looking at.
It's better, yeah.
It's better meat quality.
Okay.
So I'm really excited. The curry looks delicious. Let's go for it.
Love this.
We have been serving authentic Indian cuisine for well over 15 years now, and we don't compromise on quality. We have chosen to serve lamb as opposed to mutton. Just a conscious effort from our side to ensure that we give the best quality possible out there. And I would like to think of ourselves as the best curry you can have away from home.
So far, the experience of eating at Hollywood Bunny Bar, I think 10 out of 10. It's excellent, right?
Excellent. And they were not shy to give us enough gravy in this bunny. I mean, what makes a good bunny for me is the gravy and the bread, not actually the meat. But the meat is really good as well.
There's something about a curry that when it's really orange or really red looking, it's really appetizing and appealing to somebody.
Yeah.
I think this is an excellent color.
I think that's how we associate a good curry, by the color of it, the smell.
That's how we know when it's a Durban curry, right?
Durban
The
curry.
color of the curry is orange or red. I rate this bunny 10 out of 10, maybe 11 out of 10. Excellent, wonderful.
I rated it happiness out of 10 because I'm happy.
Hollywood Bunny Bar's lamb bunny is super spicy and has well-rounded flavors. The meat is extra tender because of the use of lamb. The bread is also special as it soaks up all the curry, creating an explosion of flavor. A perfect bunny from beginning to end. Okay, so we're just done tasting all 3 bunnies and we've come up with a verdict. We have 3 categories to award these bunnies to. I think the award for Best Durban Curry goes to Hollywood Bunny Bar. It was really delicious and an excellent taste. I think you must try it.
I think the lamb bunnies really a good quality and you pay for what you get.
Okay. Second, I think the best homestyle curry goes to Curryos. Curryos tasted exactly like the food that we make at home and our families have cooked all over the years. So I think the award for best homestyle curry goes to Curryos. So if you're in the Sanya Pinetown area, please give that a try.
Our last award for People's Choice of Bunnies goes to
TSD Ultra Lounge. I think that's a place that people who are rating and voting said that we must try, and they delivered. It was excellent. Customer service that they gave us was top notch. Also the spiciness and the way the curry tasted was wonderful.
They are really excellent, all 3 of them.
I think if you try any one of these 3 bunnies, TSD Ultra Lounge, Hollywood Bunny Bar or the Curryos, that you will not be disappointed. So, that's it for us.
That's it for us.
Next time when we're in Durban, we'll try maybe a biryani or something else, right? See you next time. So here are your top 3 places to get a bunny chow in Durban for 2018 and the coming year in 2019. Be sure to check them out. Thanks also to the staff of TSD Ultra Lounge, Hollywood Bunny Bar and the Curryos for providing bunnies on the day of the shoot. Be sure to check these places out and see you next time.